Summer is here, and it's the perfect time to refresh with some delicious, hydrating drinks. In today's video, we're sharing 10 of our favorite nutrient-packed summer beverages. These drinks are not only tasty, but may support your skin, digestion, and overall health. Let's dive in. First up, we have Watermelon Basil Agua Fresca. This refreshing drink combines watermelon, lime, and basil for a hydrating treat that's packed with flavor. The watermelon offers hydration while the basil adds a touch of freshness. The combination of these ingredients may also support digestion thanks to the natural enzymes in watermelon. Here's the recipe. 2 cups cubed watermelon, 1 cup water. Juice of 1/2 lime, 2 teaspoons agave syrup, 1 teaspoon chopped fresh basil, ice for serving. Combine watermelon, water, lime juice, agave, and basil in a blender. Process until smooth and serve over ice. It's that simple. Next, try the peach pineapple mocktail. This fruity mocktail is made from no sugar added white grape peach juice, ripe peaches, and pineapple with a hint of ginger. It's not only delicious, but it could help with reducing inflammation thanks to the natural antioxidants in both peaches and pineapples. Here's the recipe. 6 cups no sugar added white grape peach juice, 2 cups water, 2 medium fresh peaches, 2 cups chopped fresh pineapple, 3/4 cup lemon juice, 1/2 cup loosely packed fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger ice cubes. Combine juice, water, peaches, pineapple, lemon juice, mint, and ginger in a large pitcher. Stir well, refrigerate for at least 20 minutes, and serve with ice and fresh mint for a refreshing treat. Craving something creamy? Try this high-protein orange mango smoothie. This tropical blend of orange juice and mango is paired with Greek yogurt and plant-based protein powder to create a smoothie that's rich in protein and nutrients. The protein may help support muscle recovery and energy levels, while the vitamin C in oranges could contribute to immune function and skin health. Here's how to make it. 1 cup orange juice, 1 cup frozen mango chunks, 1 cup unsweetened soy milk, 1/2 cup non-fat plain strained Greek-style yogurt, 1/4 cup plain unsweetened protein powder, 1 tablespoon pure maple syrup, 1 scoop of NHMD greens. Blend orange juice, frozen mango, soy milk, Greek yogurt, protein powder, maple syrup, and NHMD greens in a blender until smooth and creamy. Serve with orange twists for extra flavor. For a refreshing and festive option, try this no-added sugar sangria mocktail. This drink features fresh fruit like oranges, apples, and lemons combined with pomegranate and orange juice for natural sweetness. It's then topped off with sparkling water for a fizzy finish. Not only is it free of added sugars, but pomegranate juice could provide antioxidants that may help protect your cells. Here's the recipe. 1 orange, 1 small gala apple, 1 large lemon, 4 fresh rosemary sprigs, 3.5 cups refrigerated 100% pomegranate juice, 1/2 cup orange juice, 2 cans berry-flavored sparkling water, ice for serving. Muddle the fruit and rosemary in a pitcher, stir in pomegranate and orange juice, and refrigerate for at least an hour. Just before serving, add sparkling water and garnish with rosemary. Let's cool off with a high-fiber whipped raspberry lemonade. This creamy, tangy drink is made with fresh raspberries, coconut milk, and lemon juice. Not only is it refreshing, but it may also support digestive health thanks to the fiber in raspberries. Here's how to make it. 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup water, zest of 1 large lemon, 1 cup well shaken and stirred canned coconut milk, 1/2 cup lemon juice, 2 cups ice cubes, 3/4 cup frozen raspberries. Prepare lemon simple syrup by simmering honey and water with lemon zest. Combine the syrup with coconut milk, lemon juice, ice, and raspberries in a blender and blend until slushy. Serve immediately. For something tropical and gut-friendly, try this papaya pineapple smoothie. Packed with papaya, pineapple, and banana, this smoothie may help support digestion due to the natural enzymes in papaya. Pineapple's bromelain could also aid in reducing bloating, while the combination of fruits provides a sweet, hydrating base that tastes like a vacation in a glass. Here's the recipe. 1 medium frozen peeled banana, sliced, 1 cup fresh papaya, 1 cup frozen pineapple chunks, 3/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 4-cup whole milk plain yogurt, 1 small kiwi, 1/2 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. Blend banana, papaya, pineapple, almond milk, yogurt, kiwi, and ginger in a blender until smooth. Pour into glasses and garnish with extra kiwi slices. Next, we have an aloe smoothie. Aloe is often praised for its skin benefits, and adding it to a smoothie could help promote glowing skin from the inside out. Combined with tropical fruits like pineapple and mango, this smoothie is not only hydrating, but may also support digestion and overall gut health. Here's the recipe. 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 cup mango chunks, 1 cup kale, 1 cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger. Blend pineapple, mango, kale, coconut milk, aloe vera gel, and ginger until smooth. Pour into glasses and serve with chia seeds. Looking for a low-calorie option? Try this Fizzy Rosemary Cider Mocktail with apple cider, soda, and fresh rosemary. This drink is both refreshing and aromatic. Rosemary may offer antioxidants that could help support overall wellness, and the cider gives you a naturally sweet, tangy flavor without any added sugars. Here's the recipe. 1/2 cup water, 1 sprig rosemary, 4 ounces, apple cider 4 ounces, sparkling water 1 tablespoon sugar-free simple syrup, 1 sprig fresh rosemary. Optional. Prepare the rosemary simple syrup by cooking water and rosemary. Let it cool, and then combine cider, soda, and syrup in a glass. Garnish with rosemary. For a fun, creamy treat, try this whipped frozen creamsicle, combining orange juice, coconut milk, and frozen mango. This drink is reminiscent of the classic ice cream truck treat, but without the added sugars. It's a vegan-friendly, refreshing way to enjoy a nostalgic favorite while staying hydrated and healthy. Here's how to make it. 1 1/4 cups orange juice or tangerine juice, 1/2 cup unsweetened vanilla coconut milk, 1 1/2 cups ice cubes, 1/4 cup frozen mango chunks, 2 orange slices for garnish. Blend orange juice, coconut milk, ice, and frozen mango until smooth. Pour into glasses and garnish with orange slices. And for a little magic, try these color-changing lemonade slushies. Made with blue pea flower tea and lemonade, this drink changes color as you pour the lemonade over the ice. It's a fun way to hydrate, and it could be the perfect drink for kids' birthday parties or a fun summer get-together. Here's the recipe. 4 teaspoons blue pea flower tea, 2 cups boiling water, 2 cups lemonade. Steep the blue pea flower tea in boiling water for 8 minutes, then freeze the tea into cubes. Blend the cubes and pour lemonade over them for a magical color-changing experience. These summer drinks are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you hydrated and healthy. Which one will you try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tasty and healthy recipes. Cheers to a refreshing summer.